Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at surface area of prisms. So if you've completed the previous Pythagorean theorem video, today's lesson will be easier for you. So just a reminder, area of a rectangle, length times width, area of a triangle, half base times h, like that. So we're going to round our answers to 2 decimal places in this lesson. So let's dive right into it. Find the surface area. So we have a rectangular prism here. We can divide it up as top, bottom, side, side, front, and back. So we have top 6 times 4, bottom 6 times 4, side 3 times 6, side 3 times 6, front 3 times 4, and back 3 times 4, like that. So we calculate that up, and so the area is 108. So the surface area is 108 centimeters squared. B. Breaking up the areas, you can draw a net if you want, if you find it easier. I myself don't use one, but if you need one, that's fine. You can draw a net of the prism. So area front, area back, area bottom, area left side, area right side. Front, base times height over 2. Back, triangle, base times height over 2. Bottom, 4 times 7. Side, diagonal times 7. So we have to find that diagonal value. So we're going to use Pythagoras Theorem here. The front can be divided, 4 divides into 2 halfway, like that. So we have 2, 5, and x. 5 squared plus 2 squared equals x squared. That gives 29 equals x squared. Square root both sides, x equals root 29. And so we write that, root 29 times 7 plus root 29 times 7. These add up to 10, 10, 28. And here we have 7 root 29 plus 7 root 29 gives 14 root 29, right? 7 apples plus 7 apples is 14 apples, like that. And now we punched all that in our calculator, and we get 123.39 centimeters square as the surface area. Okay, time for some practice. Find the surface area, rectangular prism, triangular prism. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're back. So for A, we got front, back, top, bottom, left side, right side. 4 by 5 front, 4 by 5 back. Top, 5 by 7, bottom 5 by 7. Left side 4 by 7, right side 4 by 7. Add that all up, area is 166 centimeters squared. B, so we got front, back, bottom, left side, right side. So front, base times height over 2, base times height over 2, triangles, right? Bottom rectangle, 6 by 10. And the side is diagonal times 5, so we need to find this diagonal length. So we have 3, 4, x, 3 squared, 4 squared, x squared, 25 equals x squared, square root both sides, x equals 5, like that. So that's going to be our side here. It's 5 times 10, like that, and then the other side, 5 times 10, like that. Add that all up, that gives 184, so surface area, 184 centimeters squared. Okay, another practice for you guys. Practice 2. Find the surface area. So we got our first here and second one there. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're back. So there's many ways of doing it. This is just one way I'm showing you. If you did a different way, that's fine. So area in the front. Notice this is 4. And so dash dash means they're the same length. So 4 is broken up into 2. And so each bar here consists of 2. So it's 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, like that. And so the front is 1, 2, 3 2 by 2 squares, right? 2 by 2 gives this square, 2 by 2 the second one, 2 by 2 the third one. So that's what we did here. So area of the front is 12. You probably could have also done 4 times 4, 16 minus 2 by 2, which also gives 12. Another way of doing it. So area in the front 12, area in the back 12. Bottom 4 by 5, like that. On the left side, 4 by 5 as well. Area on the top, so we have 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 like that. Area on the right, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 like that. So this gives 12, 12, 20, 20, 20, 20. Add that all up and we get 104 centimeters squared. Okay, so for the next one, very similar. A front, we have a rectangle plus a triangle like that. So that's what we do here. We get 50. So area in the back is the same, triangle and rectangular prism like that. So that's also 50. Bottom, 10 by 11. Right is 3 by 11, 33. And then we get left 3 by 11 as well. And then I'm calling it roof, a roof. So we have diagonal times 11. And so we need to get our diagonal. So we have half of 10 is 5. So it's our bottom 5. Height here is 4. Right, so we have 5 by 4. So 4 squared plus 5 squared equals x squared. Gives 41. Root both sides. So the roof is 11 times root 41. And then there's 2 roofs like that. So we add all that up together. This is what we get. So 11 plus 11 is 22 root 41 like that, right? So you punch that in our calculator and the surface area is 416.87 centimeters squared. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.